Hello and welcome to Sitaro Ka Safar. This is your monthly guide to the ever-changing dance of the stars and planets. Each month, the universe presents us with powerful energies and opportunities for growth, reflection, and transformation. Together, we'll explore the celestial shifts shaping the month ahead and how they may influence your path. I'm your astrologer N. Baksh, and I'm here to guide you through the cosmic energy. This month, the skies are abuzz with significant movements. The sun's transition steadily through Capricorn highlights themes of discipline, ambition, and long term planning. Its influence encourages us to take charge and stay grounded. Mercury's journey aligns with clarity, enhancing communication and decision making while paving the way for practical solutions. Venus brings a touch of grace, influencing our relationships and creative pursuits with a harmonious energy. Mars completes its retrograde in Gemini, reigniting forward momentum, clarity in action, and mental sharpness. Jupiter ends its retrograde in Taurus, amplifying themes of expansion, growth, and abundance. This planetary shift encourages us to focus on stability and grounded progress. As these celestial bodies shift and align, they set the stage for new beginnings, powerful transformations, and introspection. Let's dive in and uncover the deeper layers of this month's cosmic story. For Pisces natives, firstly, let's see how this month will be for you financially. February kicks off with Venus and Pisces, bringing a good vibe to your financial outlook. This is an ideal time for managing personal finances and attracting financial opportunities through your charm or creative ideas. However, with Jupiter retrograde in Taurus, avoid taking risks or making major changes to your income streams early in the month. Post 5th February, with Jupiter going direct, you'll find that clarity begins to return, allowing you to refocus on expanding your resources or income channels. For job going people, the month begins with Venus in Pisces, which gives a gentle boost to your charisma and your work relationships. However, the retrograde of Mars in Gemini might cause some delays or frustrations related to work, especially regarding home office dynamics or changes in your workplace. By 10th February, when Mercury aligns in Aquarius, communication improves, allowing for clearer ideas and resolutions. Once Mars turns direct on 24th February, you can expect a surge in productivity. Business owners may experience some initial roadblocks in the first half of the month due to Mars's retrograde and Jupiter's retrograde, making business growth slow. However, as Mercury moves into Aquarius on 11th February, your strategy and communication will become sharper, helping you navigate through the challenges. After Mars goes direct on 24th February, you will have better momentum to push forward and seize new opportunities. For people who are interested in the trading market, the crypto market will be volatile in the first half of the month with the retrogrades of Mars and Jupiter. There may be some unpredictable fluctuations, so it is a good idea to avoid making big moves. Wait until after Mars turns direct on 24th February, as the energy shift will provide more stability for potential gains. Similar to the crypto market, the share market will also experience some unpredictable movements during Mars's retrograde. It is advisable to remain cautious and avoid any risky investments. Jupiter's retrograde in Taurus also advises patience. Look for clearer patterns and opportunities after 24th February when Mars turns direct and market conditions stabilize. Lottery is not an advisable venture at the start of the month, with Mars's retrograde disrupting any chances of quick fortune. Focus on more calculated financial moves ahead. After 24th February, when Mars turns direct, you may see slightly better luck, but still proceed with caution. Family wise, in marriage, the beginning of the month may bring some tension, especially around communication, with Mars retrograde and Jupiter retrograde affecting emotional clarity. But with Mercury entering Aquarius on 11th February, there will be an improvement in communication, allowing you to resolve conflicts and better understand each other. Mars turning direct on 24th February will bring more harmonious energy for shared activities and emotional connection. Your relationship with your parents will be influenced by Saturn and Aquarius, which encourages responsibility and emotional maturity. This may be a month where you focus more on practical matters and future security, particularly regarding family planning or legacy issues. After 10th February, with Mercury moving into Aquarius, communication will become more open and productive, allowing for smoother exchanges with your parents. Later, after Mars turns direct, you can expect more positive interaction. Students will face some struggles early in the month due to the influence of Mars retrograde and Jupiter retrograde, which might lead to distractions or difficulties focusing. However, after Mercury moves into Aquarius on 11th February, your concentration will improve. By 24th February, when Mars turns direct, your productivity will pick up and you'll feel more motivated to pursue your academic goals. Pisces students will do well in fields that require a blend of creativity and spirituality, such as psychology, the arts, music, or social work. The influence of Venus in Pisces makes this a good time to pursue creative, intuitive fields that offer long term satisfaction. Avoid studying during emotionally distracting periods. With Mars retrograde early in the month, it is easy to feel unmotivated or overwhelmed. Focus on subjects that require structured learning and avoid pursuing topics that feel too abstract or unrelated to your long term career. Travel plans will likely be delayed or face complications due to Mars's retrograde and Mercury retrograde effects. The first part of the month will not be ideal for making significant travel arrangements. However, after 24th February, when Mars turns direct, travel will become more favorable and the energy will align for smoother trips. Your health might face some fluctuations, particularly regarding stress or emotional well being. Mars retrograde can lead to accidents or small injuries, so be mindful of your physical safety, especially while traveling or during physical activities. Jupiter's retrograde also suggests taking extra care with your overall health, as this is a time for reflection, not necessarily for making drastic changes to your fitness regimen. Focus on a diet that promotes relaxation and energy. Incorporate more vegetables, whole grains, and herbal teas to support both physical and emotional balance. Avoid overly rich or heavy foods that could affect your digestion, especially during Mars retrograde. Your mental health should be a priority this month, with both Saturn in Aquarius and Venus in Pisces urging you to nurture your inner well being. Take time for relaxation practices like yoga or meditation, and be careful of burnout or emotional exhaustion. Take it easy and focus on maintaining a peaceful, balanced lifestyle. Thank you for joining us on Sitaraka Safar. If you're looking for personalized guidance or solutions to the challenges in your life, feel free to reach out to me on WhatsApp. I'm here to help you find clarity and direction through the wisdom of astrology. Don't forget to like, share, and comment on this video. Your feedback means the world to us and helps us grow. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to our channel so you never miss an update on your cosmic journey. Until next time, may the stars light your path and bring positivity to your life. We'll see you in the next video.